Hello and welcome to footstoday.co.uk introductory video. This is in response to lots of emails we've had over the last a few weeks asking what we do, etc, etc. So we thought we'd put this video together just so there's at least a starting point for people to look through, and then they can ask us some more questions afterwards if they need to, rather than asking the same things over and over again and sending the same email replies. What we offer: we do not do trade calls, and lots of people ask for this. That's not what we're here to do. We're not going to say sell at 70, take profits to 60 and limit at 90 for no reasons at all. That's not what we're here for. Yes, we do trade calls for our members, which we'll come on to in a bit, and even on the free Twitter, but they're there for a reason. They're not there just out of the blue. There's no point just getting a text that says do this, do that, do that. Unless you can understand why and what the logic is behind it, then that's not going to teach you how to trade. We all know the give someone a fish, teach someone to fish saying. So I know there's lots of people out there that do trade calls, and I'm not here to criticise anybody, but we don't do that. We could do it. To be honest, that's all we could do. We've made money every week when we've been trading. We've had a couple of weeks off, but every week for over a year, so we could do trade calls easy, but that's not the point. That's not what we're here for. We're here to help those that want, and that's very important. Just sort of copies the the previous point really. We're not here to give something for those that don't want it. If someone wants easy money, then trading is not for you. We always say in our training that money is a byproduct of what being a successful trader is. It's not the be all and end all. And if people just think it's about money, then whatever we can do, that being blunt, they're not going to make it in this game. So we're here to help, but we're not here to give some people money. It doesn't work like that. We offer a lot for free. Yes, we do have a paid for section, which I'm going to come on to, and we've had some grief off that, and we quite expected some grief from it, but as our members know, we are different from a lot of other people. A lot of companies and other people out there just charge straight away, but we give a lot for free, and nearly everybody that's become a member, even just a silver member, which I'll come on to in a minute, I don't think we've had one criticism in the last 6 months, which means a lot to us. If it's not for you, it's not for you. We don't offer a free refund, but if someone has a legitimate complaint, then that's fine. We'll give them their money back and we'll move on. But we do offer a lot for free. We have free website updates. We have a market review every night when we trade. That's 3 or 4 times a week, and we do offer 2 hours of free web-based training on the first Thursday of the month. And I think we've got about 40 people on our email list this month, from last month, so they'll be getting the invite on Tuesday as I write this. But it is 2 hours, web-based, 100%, shows everything we do. It shows our setups, it shows our psychology. It's 80% psychology is the first part of training, so that's so important. Honestly, it's so easy to buy and sell. It's what goes in between your ears is the most important thing. So we offer 2 hours free. It's normally 2.5 hours, and we offer email. Anyone can email us any time, and we always answer. And it does include all our setups. There's nothing hidden in the 2 hours free at all. The membership plans just go into more detail, like business plans, how to deal with losses, how to teach trading as a business. And we do think that makes a difference. But because too many people are hung up on the setups, and the setups are the easy bit, trust me. We've been doing this now 6 years. The setups are easy. You can teach setups in 20 minutes. It's the rest of it that takes the time. We're not here to make money from them, honestly. I know people might think we're mad for this, but for those people that we've been helping for the last 6 months, they all know what we do. We have our expenses. Never mind the hundreds of hours it's taken us to get to where we've got to now. So we're not here to make money from. We make money from trading. We trade 50 upwards a pip. So whatever monthly fees we charge, it's less than a spread from one decent trade. So we're not here to make money from them. We use Omnovia for our room, which costs, it's not cheap. Anyone that can do their own research will know it's not cheap. And then there's there's our time at the end of the day, and people we work with time, they'll need paying. So at the end of the day, but we're not here to make money. We say one-off payment of silver. We have 2 levels, silver and gold. Payment £30. We have a monthly subscription, either silver or gold. You can just sign up for 1 month, and for £30, which is our silver, it gets you our trading setup ebook, which is 32 or 3 pages, I can't remember, of our exact setups explained in detail. But again, don't think that will just make you a trader, because that's the easy bit. But it just shows you the 4 or 5 setups that we use, and that's all setups we use day in, day out. We don't look to trade anything else. 8 hours, as well as the 2-3 hours that everyone's entitled to. Obviously, we have another 6 hours. Well, 6 hours, 5 hours, and then an hour Q&A at the end. And it's all web based, and that's part. You can just join for a month and then cancel as soon as you join, and then get all 8 hours. And that really does cover our last sort of 6-7 years of experience, and we've had a lot of positive feedback from that. If you want, then yes, we have another option, which is £60 a month, gets access to all the above and our live Omnovia trading room, which is open 6:30, well basically 24/5 really, but it's occupied 6:30 till about 9. Covers DAX open, FTSE open, and then we're about all day, and then we'll come on the mic if we need to, as we see setups. But we have, at the moment we've got between 20 and 25 people in there day in, day out, and they've all been through our setups. They're all trading the same ways, and it's been really good, to be honest. Sometimes we've been busy and we've not been watching the market, and then we come back and there's been a setup, and half the people in the room have, they've all discussed it amongst themselves, and they've all taken it. And the vast majority of our members make money. We've had so many emails. We've had people that have been trading for 5 years that, I can't obviously publish what they've said to us. There's no point. But virtually everybody that we've been helping has commented positively and have noticed their change around in their trading. And if you need any more details, then send us an email, and we can send you some proof. But we're not here to show you our accounts. Everyone that's been following us for the last 5 or 6 months will know. Even on Twitter, we post at what we're looking for, our levels, and people that have been in the room for the last month or 2, they know what we're doing. Even they've been surprised. We've had some very surprising emails going, I can't believe it was that simple. Why didn't I see this before, etc., etc. And that's just how it works. We do things slightly different. We have a saying that we teach what you can't do in a book, what you can't learn from a book, which in a way makes sense, because 100% of people can read a book on trading, which is fine, and we're not saying you shouldn't read books, but why do 80% of the people lose? Well, there's a saying in trading that if you want to be one of the 20 or 15%, then you should do what the other 80% aren't doing, and that's what we teach. And I say, for a single payment of £30, we cover all that. Then it's up to you if you want to join the room or not. Again, we're not here to try and sell you anything. We're just here. Basically, what we like to say, we do what we do, and that sells itself. If you don't get it, then you don't get it. We're not here to sell you, an expensive, get rich quick scheme. Sorry, we're not here for that. And we get the other part of it, and we felt long and hard about even starting to charge people, but we spend so much time answering emails and talking to people and helping people that we have to cover some expenses. Plus Omnovia costs us, we bought 25 licenses for the year. We're just about to upgrade to another 25, so we need to get that money back. It's just business at the end of the day. So, but we do teach you what you can't learn from a book. And we are a bit out there. We are a bit crazy in the way we trade, but at the end of the day, as I said, we make money every week for the last years. Well, it's over a year now actually. It's about 13 months. And I think the last month we had 17 trades, we lost one, and we had one div episode that if you look at the videos you'll understand. So, we do what we say we do. There's not, if you become a member, there's no secrets. And again, we post everything, live. So you'll understand if you want to join us. If you want to be a skeptic and give us grief for posting videos after the fact, then so what? You'll never make it in this game. That's not our problem. So we are genuinely here to help, and we'll let our members speak for themselves. And if everyone wants more proof of that, I mean, I could show you 20 emails from people that have changed their trading around. They can't believe, but it gets to a point where they understand it themselves, which is great. I'm not saying you have to be a member forever. We don't want you to be in our room forever. We want, to teach people, and then they move on and do their own things. But as it's worked out so far, most people hang around and are quite happy to pay the money because they're making so much more themselves. But we've had people make 500%, 200%, 100%, 400% on their account, and that might sound totally bonkers, but read the previous point. We do teach what you can't learn from a book. So that's all I've got to say on that, really. Have you got any questions? Then just send us an email, traders@footsie.co.uk. I'll watch one of your videos. You've got more contact details on there, the Twitter and stuff. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you trade safe and is to a profitable next few months. Thank you very much.